Hello again, this is Eric at FlexPVC. I rushed that last video right at the end because I didn't know how much time I had left. Okay, but there's a few more parts I wanted to show you. These are some things we found from the old days. This is a spa jet. It's a 2-inch spigot here, meaning a 2-inch fitting. Bad example. We'll go over it. I can't imagine ever doing that. There you go. Okay, so yeah, feed it with 2 inches. It's got a monster venturi, just a monster. This is a 3/4 or 1-inch hole. I think it's 3/4. Yeah, 3/4. That's huge. That's a gigantic venturi. But it's got this big opening up here, puts out an absolute monster cone. This is for a hot tub spa, or believe it or not, some people use these for circulation in aquariums and fisheries, things like that, because you got your venturi right here, your port. So if you want to aerate the water, boom, it's really easy. Get a big pump, you'll need a big pump, and your little 3/8 hose goes up to a valve, turn it on and turn it off. Gives you a tremendous amount of flow and air. Okay, here's another one, a very interesting fitting. This was one of my favorite back in the old days. They don't make them anymore. They don't make them anymore because they're so darn expensive. We have some, okay? But these are spa jets, and they spin. I've never seen another spa jet spin, not like this. This one works really well. Not only that, it's adjustable. This little nozzle here, you can make it go in the center, which provides a very centered, concentrated spin, or you push it off to the side, and it's a very large, and this actually really does have a massaging effect. Absolutely love this jet. Most jets, they just shoot some water on you, and this one actually does massage your body. And you can switch this to the guy on the other side so it spins the other direction, and you can even kind of put it in the middle so that you can regulate just how much of a spin. And the wider the spin, the more pulsating the effect on your body. Okay, and it's really strong. It's really nice. So this feed, you can feed this with a 2-inch for no air, because there's no air port once you put a 2-inch fitting here. Okay, or you feed it with 3/4 inch, and here's your air injection port. And just feed it with 3/4 inch. Okay, we have these in white bone, maybe almond, not very many, but we'll try and price them reasonably. Things have gotten crazy on prices lately. Sorry about that. Anyways, this is a really cool jet. Now, are you ready? Can I interest you in, how about a 10-inch flange? Anybody need a 10-inch flange? We've got a few. This is a 10-inch flange, meaning 10-inch pipe goes into the center, 10 3/4 inches on the OD for the pipe, so that for this is 10 3/4 on the ID. These are very expensive. Okay, we're going to price these out as low as we possibly can, probably below our cost. We just got to get rid of them. We got them, whatever, it doesn't matter. We got them. We shouldn't have them. We need to move them. It's got the elongated hole, so it mates up with different bolt patterns. And well, there it is. I can't imagine what you could do with this other than some really industrial or agricultural applications. But we got them. Okay, so I just want to show you. And also, speaking of this, and these are all going to be on, not the other ones, but these here will be on the clearance page. And we have a lot of stuff on the clearance page, and we're going to be adding more. These are just overstocked items. Some of them very popular, but we just have too many. And we need room. And to get to the clearance page, just go to the website, flexpvc.com. Just below the phone number, you're going to see a word that says clearance. Just click on that, and that'll take you to all our clearance items. Note, clearance items are limited to stock on hand. Okay. If you need more of something that's on clearance, contact us. We may have some, but it will be at the regular price, or we can special order more in for you. Okay. Like, subscribe, leave comments. Just again, like I always say, if it's a comment specific to your situation, please contact us directly, either phone 888-782-3539, but that's only from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday Pacific time. You can email us. You can go sales@flexpvc.com, or you can use the contact us link on the website. And also on that contact page is a AI bot. It actually helps. It's way better than our search. I have to admit, our search is terrible. But the AI bot does a pretty good job. If you're looking for something, you can type it in there, and it'll at least give you a pretty good suggestion for what you're to find what you're looking for. most customers report back that they had good experience with it. So give it a try. And then if it doesn't, just email us through on that page and we'll reply. We reply back really, like, minutes or hours during the day, and on the weekends, maybe once or twice. I check emails on Saturday and sometimes Sunday. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Hope you found this useful, worthy of your time. Bye.